Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by preparing the scene so lighting behaves predictably. Remove Maya's default lights and confirm your geometry has proper normals and single transform history, because bad normals will skew lighting. Once done, set your project path and import the model, then freeze transforms and center pivots to avoid offset issues. Make sure the viewport is in high quality or viewport 2. 0 so you can preview shadows and IBL. This immediate feedback guides your next light placement decisions. You now establish the 3-point foundation. Place a key light, usually an area or spot, aimed to create the principal highlights, increase size for softer falloff, and tweak intensity for readable midtones. Then add a fill light opposite the key at lower intensity, around 20 to 50% of the key, to reveal shadow detail without flattening the form. Finally, add a rim or backlight behind the subject to separate it from the background. Shift its color slightly cooler or warmer to enhance depth and material contrast. You finish by refining exposure, shadows, and render settings. Turn on your render's area or ray traced shadows and raise light samples to clean noise without collapsing render time. Use denoisers sparingly. Add an image-based light or H-dry to provide natural global illumination and believable reflections, then balance with exposure or a physical camera. If you see banding, black artifacts, or missing light, check normals, light linking, and duplicate lights. Adjusting sample counts and removing overlapping lights usually fixes those issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.